Hey guys, what's up everyone? I just found out something interesting that I wanted to quickly share with you in terms of Stripe subscriptions. So I'm currently building my first SaaS product. It's already live. It's called easyearningstracker.com. There's a link in the description if you want to check that out. Nevertheless, I just introduced a new feature, which is a 7-day trial period that's now available when you go to the pricings page, and it's available on the starter plan currently only. And I wanted to test what happens after the 7-day trial. So I found this simulate subscriptions feature that Stripe offers, where you can actually fast forward the time to see what exactly happens after the whatever period of time you set is over, and if your webhooks are actually working. So to test that, you can simply go ahead and sign up for a new user, or you can create one in the database as well, however you like. You click on create account. In my case, I just confirm the email real quick here, and we should get forwarded to the dashboard. So we have the dashboard here. Of course, now everything is empty because we haven't made any entries. And if we click on income, we can see we are not on a pro account right now. So this is the non-subscribed version. You can just click through and see stuff. And if you actually want to do something, you have to commit to a trial or a paid account. So in this case, we would go to pricing. And once we are on pricing, we click subscribe to starter. And then we're going to handle the checkout. I just quickly drag that over so you don't see my details. But basically, I'm signing up to a free account using the Stripe test credit card. Can drag it right back over here for you to see. So that's the Stripe test. And then I subscribe. And the 7 days free trial would start right away. But now, obviously, I don't know what happens after the trial is over. So if I go to my accounts page now, I can see that it's proactive status and that we are on the free trial active plan right now. And if we go back to the dashboard, we also see a notification here. So all of that works. But now what happens if I don't basically cancel the plan, and what happens if I cancel the plan? Those are two things I wanted to test. And for that, I would go to Stripe. I would go to subscriptions, and it's very important that here you don't see the trial subscription unless you click on all here. So then also the trial subscription will show up. You can see that right here. There are all my other test subscriptions, and you can see that it's ending on 3rd of November. So I can click on the subscription here, and then you see a banner up top which says run a simulation on the subscription. And when you click on run simulation, you can basically fast forward the time. Now, locally, that doesn't work if I do +1 day, and the day counter will not jump over because I would have to adjust my logic a little bit. It's not important for me. The important part is that I can see what happens if I go 1 week into the future. So now the best way to demonstrate it probably is to cancel the user account. So for that, I go to account, and I go to manage billing, and I basically just cancel the subscription. I cancel it again right here, and I click whatever, it's too expensive, doesn't matter. And then I go back to my Stripe testing page, and I can see that the status now changed to canceling, but we still have 7 days remaining. We can do everything what we want to. We can add some income if we wanted to test that. It's still working. It still will show up everywhere. We still have access to all of the features that a paid user would have. And now if we go to the Stripe dashboard again and to this run simulation thing, and we pass 1 week to the future, we can actually see in VS Code, which I cannot share right now because of all of the IDs that are flowing through there, and I don't want to blur everything out, that the webhook handler is kicking off. And we can now see here that we are on November 3rd, 2025. So we are 1 week in advance. We traveled to the future just now. And if we now go back to our tracker and we hit refresh, we can see that we got a notification that expense tracking is a pro feature and that we don't have access to this feature anymore. And if you click on account we can see that we have no active subscription. So everything worked as intended. The subscription got canceled by the end of the period. We can also not add any more income, but we can still see our income. That's a feature of my application that I left. So if you cancel your account, you can still access your data, of course, because you were a paying customer. And if you go to the dashboard, you can see your trial has ended, blah, blah, blah. And you should sign up for a new plan or whatever. So this is something that I just learned, and I thought I'd quickly share it with you guys, because why not? I think I will do that more often now, to share quick bits that I pick up when I can do a quick video, quick rapid fire videos on that. Let me know if you guys like that. Make sure to follow me on X and subscribe if you watch this on YouTube. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you back in the next one.